It's almost fall, autumn, a great time of year when the fall colors change in the high country of the Rocky Mountains from green to reds and yellows and oranges. What's good about fall is pumpkins. I grow pumpkins. Take a look at the seedlings of my pumpkin patch. The scarecrow there is named Barnabas. He's wearing a Rod Smith Denver Bronco jersey. I love growing pumpkins. There's something magical about putting a seed in the ground, growing the pumpkin plants, and then putting them on display as jack-o'-lanterns for Halloween or other things. One thing I like to do with my pumpkins is make pumpkin pie. I make pumpkin pie from scratch with the fresh pumpkins that I pick. Look at this montage. It's an evolution of making pumpkin pie. From slicing them up and baking them to putting them with all the ingredients into the pie crust and then baking it. You really can't go wrong with homemade delicious pumpkin pie. Good. Since fall is here, I want to wish everyone a great fall. It's my favorite time of year. And if you have a chance, have some pumpkin pie. You can make it yourself or get it at the store.